Almost every Odoo customization starts with a decision about contacts. So before we look at CRM or projects or anything else, let's take a proper look at the contacts model because Odoo does something interesting with it that trips up a lot of newcomers. Open the contacts app. What you are looking at right now, companies, individual people, portal users, suppliers, customers, all of that lives in one model, one table. It is called res.partner behind the scenes, and the same record can play multiple roles at the same time. That is a design choice, and it enables everything downstream. A contact can be a customer, a supplier, and a project manager without you having to reconcile three separate records. The way Odoo separates a company from a person is a single boolean flag. Is company true or false? When you click new, you get to pick. If it is a company, the form gets fields for VAT number, industry, and a tab for related contacts. If it is a person, you get a field called company where you link them to their employer. Behind the scenes, that is just a many-to-one back to the same res.partner table pointing to the parent record. Now watch what happens when I create Northwind Consulting as a company, then create Brandon Freeman as an individual and set his company field to Northwind. Brandon becomes a child of Northwind. He inherits the address by default, but you can override it on his record if he works from a different city. And here on Northwind's form, we get a smart button at the top that shows the count of related contacts. Click it and we jump to Brandon. A few fields matter downstream. Email is what CRM leads and marketing campaigns will use to send messages, and Odoo automatically fills email underscore normalized behind the scenes, which is what dedup and lookup rely on. Language on the individual drives the language of every automated email sent to that person and the language of the customer portal. Tags. Click into the tags field, type priority, client, hit enter, and you have created a new tag inline. Tags are shared across all contacts, so use them for cross-cutting categorization. At the bottom of every record is the chatter, send message, log notes. The difference matters. Send message notifies followers and often sends an email out. Log note is internal, only visible to Odoo users. Both are stored in the same underlying model called mail.message, which becomes the audit trail for every record in Odoo. 2 gotchas worth burning in. Changing a company's address does not automatically propagate to its child contacts, and archived is not the same as deleted. Archived records are hidden from default views but still exist in the database, still linked to their history. Deletion is destructive. Next video, we open Studio for the first time and add custom fields to the contact form.